Ever tried copying a game from one PC to another and it just refuses to run? Or maybe you're a game dev thinking, how do I stop people from stealing or pirating my game? Let's break down exactly why games don't work when copied, and how developers protect their games behind the scenes. First, we gotta find out why this is a problem in the first place. Game developers spend months or even years working on a single game. They write the code, design the graphics, make the music, and fix bugs. It's a lot of hard work. So when people copy the game without paying, the creators lose money. That makes it harder for them to keep making games. Copying games without permission is called piracy. And yes, it's illegal, but wait, there's more. Game companies protect their work using something called DRM, that stands for Digital Rights Management. It's a system that makes it hard to copy or share the game. Some games also check online to see if your copy is real. And guess what? You can actually make a simple DRM system in Unity. Here's how. I'm going to be using this project as an example that I made in 24 hours for the GMTK Game Jam. All right, let's walk through a basic DRM system in Unity. First, we're going to create a new C# script and call it DRM Manager. This script will handle the core license checking logic. Next, in the Unity hierarchy, we'll create an empty game object and attach the DRM Manager script to it. Now at this point, you can paste the script. I'll link it in the description below. In the example, I'm using a simple license key, but of course you can change that key later to whatever you want. After that, let's set up the UI. You'll need an input field for the player to enter the key, a text element to show messages, and a button to trigger the license check. Once the UI is ready, go to the button's on-click settings and add the function from our DRM Manager script that checks the license. Now, let's test it. If we type the correct key, the game lets us in. Great. But if we type the wrong key, it gives us an error message and blocks access. Just like that, you've got a basic DRM check working in Unity. It's simple, but effective for small projects or demos. In real-world games, it's not just one license key for everyone. Each player usually gets their own unique key. It might be sent by email after buying the game, or linked to their account if login is required. Now here's the cool part. You can connect your Unity game to the internet to verify those keys. Instead of checking a hard-coded key like before, you send the user's input to a web server, and it tells you if the key is valid, expired, or fake. If it's real, the game starts. If not, show an error or block access. This is called license validation or key authentication. Want to learn how to set that up online? Let me know in the comments.